In this video, you will learn how to add music to your Godaddy website builder. First, open your website builder, log into your Godaddy account using your credentials, then navigate to your website and click Edit Site. Then, add an audio section. On the desired page, click Add Section. Choose the audio under the audio and video category. Select a layout and click Add. Customize the audio section. Add a title, description and accent colour if needed. Embed a SoundCloud audio. Open SoundCloud in the new browser tab. Find the track or playlist that you want to share, then click Save. Click Share and then embed the copy of the embedded code. Insert the embedded code. Go back to your Godaddy editor and paste the embedded code in to your website, into the audio section input field, then click Done and Save. Preview and publish. Click Preview to check the results to make sure your website still works. Then click Publish when your site is ready to be live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.